Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. If you guys haven't noticed, there is a cream cheese craze going on right now. And on today's video, I'm gonna be smoking up some cream cheese and making an amazing, delicious dessert. Stay tuned. All right, let's get started on this delicious cream cheese dessert. I just have 2 boxes of the Philadelphia cream cheese. And no, I am not sponsored by Philadelphia cream cheese. So I'm just gonna open these up real quick. So I've smoked some cream cheese before, not on a video, and the flavor is absolutely delicious. You know, the cream cheese really takes on a good smoky flavor. Just had it with some tortilla chips and some salsa, just season it up. About an hour and a half, you have some delicious cream cheese dip. So the first thing that you want to do is obviously open up your packages and grab some foil paper. And you're gonna make a cream cheese boat, if you will. Real simple. This is where the cream cheese is gonna live after you place it on here. Just lay it flat. I like to fold the edges just to make it a little bit sturdier. There you go, you have a cream cheese boat. Now flip it over. And what you want to do is lay your cream cheese right in the middle of that foil paper. Just like that, real simple. Now you don't need to bend the edges up or anything like that. In fact, I wouldn't recommend that you bend the edges up because that's going to really prevent the smoke from hitting the sides of your cream cheese. Okay, let me get this other one done. All right, so I've got both blocks of cream cheese ready. The next thing to do is just pick it up and we're gonna season it. Now I'm gonna use one of my favorite seasonings. This is the honey barbecue rub from Suckle Busters. This stuff is fantastic, but you can use whatever seasoning you like. Okay, so just pick up your cream cheese block and start seasoning the edges, the top, and the sides. Now this rub has a really good honey flavor to it, so that's why I choose to use this one. Okay, just like that, and dump out that excess rub. You don't need that. Just dump it out. There you go. That's all you need right there is that cream cheese. Nicely seasoned cream cheese. Let's get this other one done real quick. So football is finally back. And I gotta tell you, you wanna impress your friends, make this dessert right here, and they will never leave your house. All right, so I've got the cream cheese all seasoned up. The next thing you want to do is make some cross hatches on the top of your cream cheese. This is just for presentation, and it's going to open up kind of like a smoked bologna does, where it kind of splits open at the top. Wipe down your knife, that way you don't butcher the top of your cream cheese. Just make some nice clean cuts on it. And come back the other way, just like this. See that? That's what you want right there. All right, I'm gonna get this other one done, and we'll see you guys outside at my Z Grills that's running at 225 degrees. Stay tuned. All right, so I've got my Z Grill smoker warmed up to 225 degrees. I am using Jealous Devil pellets today. I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the hopper. Just top it off, really. All right, let's put our cream cheese on. Just the bottom grate. Again, smoker's running at 225 degrees. All right, just like that, we're gonna let the cream cheese smoke for about an hour and a half. Again, I am using Jealous Devil pellets, which is a cherry, maple, and hickory, so that's gonna give a really nice flavor on the surface of that cream cheese. We'll check back in about an hour and a half. Stay tuned. All right, so the cream cheese is ready, and the total cook time was 1.5 hours, and the cream cheese split open, letting all that smokiness inside of there, and this smells absolutely amazing. So to make this a dessert, I've got some cherry pie filling right here. Okay, and it's nice and warmed up. It's actually pretty hot. So what you want to do is just put that on the top just like this. Oh yes, I did. This is gonna be delicious. And for this other smoked cream cheese, I've got some blueberries. This is a blueberry pie filling as well. Just like that. And since this is a dessert, instead of using tortilla chips or tostadas, you want to use some graham crackers. Just like that. Let's dig in. All right, I got a graham cracker right here. Gonna grab some of this nice, warm, melted cream cheese. A couple of cherries, put them on this graham cracker. Oh yeah, baby. Check that out. So this cream cheese is gonna have a cheesecake flavor. Let's give it a try. All right, let's give this warm cream cheese with the cherry pie filling a try and see how we did. Wow. Man, that bite was absolutely delicious. Have a little bit of that salt from the rub and the sweet from the cherry pie filling and the smoky from that cream cheese. That is really good. Now let's give the blueberry cream cheese a try and see how we did. All I'm saying is do not sleep on this simple and delicious dessert for your next game day party. I guarantee you, your guests will be amazed. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy smoked cream cheese recipe. If this is your first time to my channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya.